channel. My name is Tomomi Galliano, certified Zentangle teacher. Today is day 8 of Inktober 2023. Today's tangle is Barz by Alice Hendon. So let's get going. This is a small tile called Biju tile. Biju here. And Barz is a very simple tangle. Seems like it's quite fun to use in combining with other tangles. It makes me think of I don't know, the fence, and I guess broken fence. Or actually, this makes me. This would be a fun tangle to use in a steampunk themed tangle. That I know Annie Taylor does a wonderful class about steampunk your tangle. But this may be a fun one to use in conjunction with steampunk design. So maybe that's what I do. So what should I do? Maybe it's a very simple. Sorry, I'm thinking as I speak, so don't mind me. I'm just gonna add our kind of pipe going this way. Maybe going this way. Okay, so anyways, I got distracted by the steampunk idea I just had. So that's what I'm gonna do first. So this is not part of the tangle, but I just want to give it a shot to see how this is gonna work. So bear with me. I'm gonna use today's tangle bars as a background. I think it's fun as it is, but I feel like just by itself it's a little, I feel like it needs a little bit of something. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna add a little pipe here, and I will add bars as a background to this. So bars, already you're gonna create multiple bars like this, and then you divide this each bars at a different point. So it's kind of I don't know, these lines never match with each other. I think that's the whole point. You wanna stagger them like this, and on either side of these lines you're gonna add like nails or screws. This. Maybe you make some of the ones, or the bigger ones, little flathead or Phillips if you like. I think that's why this kind of nail look made me think of a steampunk look. I just took cuts from Annie Taylor at CCT 2022 event, so that was fresh in my mind. I know what this reminds me of. It's kind of like a tin Tin Man, Tin Robot, the side of a tin robot. So this is Barz, and I'm gonna do just a simple shading along these lines and also these lines. I'm just going over the lines and then to the border too. Perhaps heavy around the initial pipe shape I drew. Just a little bit here and there on the top side of the pipe. This is really interesting because last few days we did a very organic tangle, and this one has a bit of a mechanical or grid-like feel to it. Perhaps, well, I guess you can make this kind of textured, more like wood, to go to accompany your organic tangles. It's like a wooded fence or whatever. But just to me, this, for some reason, maybe because I'm drawing this on a gray tile, it has the very metallic feel to it. That's why I went with the look. This pipe has a little bit of a hole in it. Why not, right? Hopefully this is not leaking, but add a little bit of highlight. To make this look rounded. Here and here. A little tortillon. It's kind of fun. It's very different. So today's tangle is Barz with Z at the end. And today was, this is not what the pen that I wanted, sorry. Put my top here. Today was day 8, I believe, of Zentangle Inktober 2023. Thank you for tangling with me. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow for day 9. Thank you. Bye.